Alright people, time for another malt liquor video. 40-ounce hurricane. I might be in a little trouble on this one, people. If you recall, this is the one that was sent to me, or one of the two that was sent to me by Craft Haystack. Sorry sir, I'm not going to listen to what you said. Put this down for a second. I kind of stole an idea from the Freedom 40 boys. Hope they don't mind.
T-minus 10 minutes.
I stole their counter, so I don't make the video too long, but I'm not planning to. Here we go, people. Holy fuck. Cap was a little tight, but you know my condition, people. All liquor, label out. I saw Crisco Malty, I guess last night before, cammed up with some bottles sent to him by Craft Haystack. He seemed okay, so I'm going to trust him. All liquor, label out.
T-minus 9 minutes.
Tastes alright. Alright, so Craft Haystack. As most of you know by now, Craft Haystack was actually asked me in a private message. He wanted me to send him mini dumb cunt. And he said he'll send me back, well, I forget his exact words, some piss or pond water or something, 40s, if I send him the dumb cunt. So he has the original dumb cunt. I've got the version 2, the improved version. It says his dogs ate the toupee, which is kind of funny. So I think we'd all like to see that one back out, sir. Malt liquor, label out. A couple people sent me comments saying that they want to see me one pull this or chug it or speed run it. First of all, I'm not a great chugger, people. You see me doing the Old English and the Mickeys, but those ones I can do the 32 ounce easily under 2 minutes every time. Not always, but usually. As far as this one, I don't know that I can do this one that fast. Besides, the 40s I get, I like to enjoy them, so I don't get them very often. Even if it would be a 40 Mickeys, I wouldn't chug it. My other problem is, I'll liquor label out. My other problem is, I don't burp on demand, people. Well, I'm just not a burper. And you start to drink these things too fast, at least in my case, get that gas build up. If you don't get rid of that gas, you're in trouble. So, maybe next one I'll try to drink it fast. We'll see. I'll liquor label out. So Craft Haystack, I'm not going to trash talk you in this video or do anything funny against you. I'll leave that for the future ones. I'll get back to that in my future videos. I did see a video about, and you know what I'm talking about here, I'm sure, but video about ending one endeavor and starting another endeavor. That was kind of actually that was an interesting video. A bit long, but it was interesting. And if you read between the lines, if you get to find the video, read between the lines in it. Sir, it sounded like you were almost talking about how and why you cammed up as Craft Haystack. I think that Craft Haystack is very interesting and calculated character. It's fitting that you choose wrestling as your backdrop, as wrestling is mostly choreographed and scripted. I think your mannerisms are too, but there's nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that at all. Craft Haystack is a character people love to hate and talk about. Good for you, sir. Good for you. Brings attention and hate go together perfectly on YouTube, and especially YTDC and MLDC. They go together perfectly. You got it made, sir. Another thing, as far as the hurricanes, malt liquor legal up.
T-minus 4 minutes.
We're almost at the scroll. As far as sending the hurricanes, not positive, of course, but my previous video people that made for Craft Haystack, after a few failed attempts and stupidly making 3 videos in one night, I was pretty visibly wasted in that video, and I was drinking, well, in this case, Florida 16-ounce hurricanes. So I don't believe it would be a coincidence that Haystack would send me hurricanes after that incident. I don't believe that would be a coincidence, people. A little bit more and we're at the scroll.
3 minutes.
Alright, we're there. At the swill. Some people don't like it. I don't mind it. It's my swill. Why would I mind my swill? I like that. No Dorf foam. Fuck you, Dorf. Fuck you, Dorf 68.
T-minus 2 minutes.
And by the way, Haystack, I wore my special tie for your video on account. You're a complete knucklehead. Alright, people. We're going to end it before the counter. Again, I appreciate Craft Haystack. I will start making fun of you again my next video, but not this one. I appreciate it, sir. All things being said, hold your honor. Let's see. Alright, people. You won't wait for the timer. We're out of here. Fuck you, Dorf. Fuck you, Dorf 68 in your phone. Dumb cunt's an asshole.
T-minus 1 minute.